How to verify your Moneylion account. Alright, let's jump right into it. Today we are guiding you through the simple steps to verify your Moneylion account. Verifying your account is crucial for securing your details and gaining access to all the features Moneylion has to offer. First things first, open up your Moneylion account. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending upon the device that you are using. Then create your account. And once you're inside Moneylion account, you can see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is head over to the profile tab that's located in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see it over here. Simply tap on it. That will take you to the profile. Once you're inside profile, you will see this type of interface. Now tap on show public profile, which is over here. Tap on it. And here it says the member is not verified. That means I'm not a verified user or member till now. And if you tap on this eye icon over here, that will say the unverified badge means that this user hasn't completed core onboarding process and we haven't able to verify their identity. While they are still a part of the community, we can't pause for them just yet. Play it safe and look it around for the end. Moneylion's verification process is designed to protect you and others from potential impersonation or fraudulent account. Be cautious when engaging with the unverified user. So I'm not verified over here. Now what you can do is simply tap on edit over here. That will show up all your information over here. So my address is incomplete and private information, phone number and address is not over there. That also makes me unverified. So what I have to do now is simply fill this up. In my case, I can't fill them up because from the country that I'm using is not eligible for using this app. That simply means my phone number wouldn't be accepted by the app. And this video is for informational process. Once I have edited all this information, you will get a verification code from the Moneylion team and only after them you will get verified. Lastly, it's important to link your bank account to enjoy the seamless transaction. Simply go back and you can see a bank icon at the center. Tap on it. Now add your bank details, follow the prompts to securely connect your account. And that's it. Your Moneylion account now will be verified, unlocking the full suite of financial tools and benefits. Remember, keeping your account updated and secure is essential. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.